If you want Microsoft Word to help you create alt text faster, this video will show you exactly how to enable the AI alt text option in Word in just a few steps. Alt text is important for accessibility because it helps screen readers describe images for people who rely on them, and turning on this feature can save you time when working with documents that contain a lot of visuals. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Now, let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, look to the top left corner of the screen and click File. This takes you into the Backstage menu where you can access Word's main settings and preferences. From there, scroll down and click Options. This opens the Word Options window where you can customize different parts of the application. Inside the Word Options window, look for Accessibility on the left-hand side and click it. This section contains settings related to how Word handles accessibility features, including alt text. Now, under the alt text section, you should see an option that says Enable the option to generate alt text using AI. Select that option to turn it on. Once this setting is enabled, Word will be able to generate alt text suggestions using AI whenever you add images or other visual elements to your document. That can make your workflow much faster, especially if you create reports, articles, training documents, or anything that includes a lot of images. Just remember that AI-generated alt text should still be reviewed for accuracy because the goal is to make your content clear, descriptive, and useful for accessibility. After you've selected the option, simply close the settings window. Your change should now be saved, and the AI alt text feature will be enabled in Word. The next time you insert an image, you can use the alt text tools more efficiently and improve the accessibility of your documents without having to write everything from scratch. And that's it. You've now enabled alt text in Word. It's a small setting, but it can make a big difference in how accessible and professional your documents are. If this video helped, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.